Alright guys, so I'm going to go on a little road test in a Chevy Equinox, or as I call them, Eat My Socks. It's got a noise in it, and customer said, I think I might have a bad wheel bearing. It just started making noise. Really? I hear that all the time. 99% of the time, it didn't just start making noise. You just turned your radio down. So let's go for a quick ride, and let's see if the wheel bearing's actually making noise. I just pulled out of my driveway and pulled onto my little dead-end street. Well, let's go. You can go with me. All right, ready? All right, you hear that? Wow. Right side bearing. Unloading the right side, I'm loading the right side. Although I have seen a left side bearing do that. It actually made noise when the load was taken off. Now, this thing's got 90,000 miles on it, so it's pretty much ready to fall apart, like all of these things are. It's ready for transmission problems, steering racks, steering leaks, and actually, you hear the noise? Yeah, pump's probably going bad on it. These things are absolute trash too. So here we go again. Wow, that bearing's bad. How did you just say that just started? Come on. Yeah, hear that? Wow. Yeah, that's absolutely terrible. So that one should be easy to figure out on a lift. So anyway, if you're getting anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. Help me make more videos. Help me make better videos, better content. If you have any suggestions for a video, let me know. I'll see what I can do, see if I can't make a video for you. I guess that's about it for now. You guys have a great day. Keep wrenching.